Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can activate the power plant in Brookhaven. I still have that outfit on. I just tried it on just now. So let's head on over to the airport, which is this way. Don't forget, oh, fabulous, darling. Don't forget to put this outfit on though. I'll just tell you where it is. It's in the power plant area, but I'll just go here. It's near the airport. Hopefully it works. Last time it didn't really work, so I didn't understand the kind of last step for it. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stop walking here. Okay, so make sure you put this outfit on. Then you're going to get this item and you're going to place it here. And then, oh my gosh, you're going to blow it up. Okay, that didn't even hit this part. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I think that should be good. Okay, then you're going to go on the other side and you're going to get that item again. And then, oh my gosh, I don't think it's gonna work. Okay. It's just very annoying. Okay, I think that is good enough. Then you're going to go here. Oop, wrong way. You're going to go to the other side. Sorry. Wait, I think I'm going the wrong way. Am I going the right way? Okay, yeah, and then do this to the generator as well. There we go. Then you're going to go to the waste room, which is in the middle here. And you're going to press this. You're going to turn that on. Then you are going to climb these stairs. Go to this room and go here. And you're going to basically want to turn off everything, which I think I already did or somebody did, but it should have a red light instead of green, I think. So you're going to want to make sure you turn it off on every single part. Once you're done, you're going to jump here. I forgot I could sprint. And then you're going to walk in this room, go down, go to the left. Now this is where it went wrong for some reasons. I don't know what happened, but I was oh, there we go. You have this green thing and now it explodes. Boom. Oh my god, that was bright. Oh. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.